The story began, I guess, while I was going to Ferris in their construction management program. And I went to Ferris with the goal of working for Granger Construction because of Granger's reputation. So I landed an internship with Granger working on campus at Ferris doing the East Campus housing apartments. And I just worked my ass off because I wanted to work for Granger so bad.
At the time, we were doing the North Lake Correctional Facility. And so we started a phase 2 there after East Campus housing got done. And so Todd really started his first full-time position with us as a project engineer at the North Lake Correctional 2010 edition. When Todd started on the project, he was like a sponge. He would ask for more all the time. He genuinely wants to deliver a good project for a client. And so early on, he has worked closely with sheriff's departments to help them transition into a facility, and he kind of has a program to help them buy their furniture and coordinate the installation of stuff outside of our scope typically to make it a smooth transition. Usually the county governments are limited on the staff that they can have committed to the construction of a project. At a big university or a hospital, they have facilities people that are versed in these type of projects and know what they need to do from the owner's side to make sure that the project is successful. But on the corrections side with the county government, we have government officials that are elected part-time people that are really concerned about the dollars, and then we have jail operations, which work for the sheriff's department, who are law enforcement officials. They might do a project of the size of a new jail once every 40 or 50 years, so no one really has the expertise in that. And usually the sheriff's department is fantastic at correctional operations and law enforcement, but they don't manage a hotel or a hospital. So in a jail, we'll build the walls and the hardware and anything that's fixed to the structure, but there's all kinds of parts and pieces that they have to buy, like mattresses and uniforms and shoes and all the toiletries and things that go with living in a facility like that. Being able to think about those things and advise a client about money they should have set aside for it and the effort it's going to take is really eye-opening for them, because they don't think of it. They think, oh, I'm going to build a jail and then we'll just all move in. That has turned into now us as a corrections construction manager offering that as an additional service and a differentiator for Granger to explain how we understand our operations and how important that transition time is from the time that we're punching out a project and turning it over to the time they can operate. It sounds simple and like a everyday thing for some of our projects, but for corrections, I think we really kind of push the envelope to help our clients be successful. Just having that trusted person managing the project, I think, is an improvement to the customer experience.